Morning. So it's Vlogmas day 21. I'm gonna make myself some coffee and then we're heading to Burlington. We got some last minute things to pick up, and then tomorrow is, so I want to see if I find like just some stuff, you know. So I'm gonna make my coffee and I'll see you at Burlington. So I don't feel like going over. I don't feel like that. From time to time, I like to switch out the stuff that I'm using so that I can give everything else a use, you know, like switch out foundation, switch out some blushes, switch out some bronzers, so I can rotate the stuff and everything gets used, and I'm not just buying more and more and not using it. So that's what I'm doing. But now that I did that, I really don't feel like getting ready. So I think I'm gonna get these. These are nice too. Then these lavender ones are nice. Christmas stuff is gone. Can't believe all the stuff is gone. I ended up getting a few things. I'm not gonna show you because they might be watching. So I'm making some food, watching Rosita. But one of the Amazon packages came in and they just threw it into the snow. So I'm hoping everything is fine. But like, they didn't put a bag on it. They just threw it there. Like, what the hell? So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm not gonna show you the stuff I picked up because they might be watching. I gotta wrap it up and stuff. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish making dinner, and then tomorrow is my husband's birthday. So we'll see if I pick up the camera tomorrow.